Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to make a bank account. First thing, go to web.bunq.com. Click on Don't have an account yet. Join the bank for free. Choose the bank plan that suits your needs and enter your full name, date of birth, address, and other required information with an agreed to bank's terms and conditions. Then your account is now created. Now all you have to do is complete identity verification. Bank will guide you through the process. You can upload a government-issued ID. Accepted documents may include passport, national ID card, and driver's license. You'll be asked to record a short video to confirm your identity. Ensure you're in a well-lit, quiet place. Just follow the instructions to complete the video verification. Bank lets you choose how to complete the video verification on your desktop or on your mobile browser. They will review your verification details. This process may take a few minutes to a few hours. Once approved, you can start using all bank features. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.